Hi, I'm Catalina Flores from Section 2, Language 7, and I'm going to talk to you about what I have learned during this unit, which was about alternative pedagogies. First of all, I would say that this unit was relevant in order to develop my teaching skills in the future. For instance, I discovered new ways of teaching that greatly differ from the traditional ones that I already knew. So now I know the importance of, for example, a human spirit or soul or even body, because there are a lot of resources that we can use in order to make our students learn, but not only learn specific contents, but develop other skills that could enhance their I don't know, their personality, the way how they see the world, which is most important. Moreover, I realized about the importance of childhood, because it's the very beginning of education. We start from childhood, so it is crucial to focus on our students' childhood and starting developing their skills since they are children. Sorry. And well, second of all, I realized that I could develop my productive and receptive skills during this unit. In the first place, receptive skills were developed through speaking classes, first of all, productive skills. I was thinking that I could develop my productive skills through speaking, discussing classes, maybe not with the whole class, but in small groups. I could share my experiences with my classmates. We could discuss about our own beliefs, about alternative pedagogies, traditional ones, our experiences as helpers and also as students. And it was really helpful for me as well, writing some essays. For example, the first task was an essay in which I could develop my ideas about this topic more clearly. And we were asked to write some paragraphs and in order to practice for the task, so I think that was really helpful as well. And finally, receptive skills were developed through different videos that we watched, the readings, which I think they were really important to understand the topic. However, the first ones were, well, I honestly believe that they were like really metaphorical. So at the very beginning, it was difficult for me to engage with the readings because it was hard to understand them. But through the time I could engage with the topic and understand and have a better understanding about each style of learning and teaching. And also I think it was really helpful, a talk that we had with a real teacher, a Montessori teacher. It was really encouraging to hear from someone that had experienced this strategy, because I realized that it's not something impossible. It's not something unachievable. I mean, if we want to make a change, we can do it, and we have to start from the bottom and then think about bigger things, bigger changes. So it was really good for me to hear that from someone that have experienced this process of changes. Well, I think that's all.